Welcome to the ANZHFR 2020 lecture series. I'm Elizabeth Armstrong and I'm the manager of the Australian Hip Fracture Registry, and I'm taking this opportunity to give a brief oversight of the ethics and governance steps to allow hospitals to participate in the ANZHFR. The first step for hospitals wanting to participate in the Australian and New Zealand Hip Fracture Registry is a lead Human Research Ethics Committee approval. In each state, the ANZHFR has a lead committee, and in New Zealand, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania, South Australia and Western Australia, the ANZHFR is reviewed by this committee. In the territories, Northern Territory and the ACT, an additional review is required. And for private hospitals wanting to participate in the ANZHFR, again, a separate review is required. With the ethics review, also the next step is a governance review. And this is the process used by institutions to ensure accountability for any research that's conducted under their auspices. They review each research project against legislation in the jurisdiction, against regulations, guidelines and codes of practice to ensure that they are not breaching any of their requirements when they participate in research. It also ensures that the site has the resources available to participate in the registry, and it is a required step to allow each hospital to contribute data to the ANZHFR. Once the governance review has been completed and sites have approved their participation, then the registry can accept data from each of the participating hospitals. As of July 2020, we have a number of hospitals in most jurisdictions approved to contribute to the ANZHFR. If your hospital isn't yet approved to contribute and you would like to understand better what's involved in contributing data to the registry, then please contact me at any of the email address or the telephone number that you can see on the screen now. Thanks for your time and stay safe.